let's start GD. In this policy, we also know that government will provide nutritious food under this policy. I would like to add one more point. From the class of fifth, the children can easily know coding and they can make app and it will increase in IT sector in India.
I really appreciate it because in this time we are saying that new education policy is implemented in our country, and as we know that new education policy is giving the most opportunity to develop our life and develop the country also. We are saying that this education policy will be change the mentality of the student, because in this time there are many of the fear of the child that they will go to school and the teacher will beat him, and any other fear matter is it will be finished by the new education policy.
I would like to go with my friend because at present, when any student should pass the 12th standard, he didn't know where he have to go. But with the implementation of new education policy, he got the proper guidance for his sector he had to go.
And new education policy totally depend upon practical knowledge, and our government also encourage foreign language, and in one hand our government in the new education policy encourage our native language, and the second hand they are encourage foreign language, which is good for us, and because we all know that two language are necessary for every person.
Yeah, friend, I agree with you. After implementation of this new education policy, our education system will be practically. It will also help the people who does not know, who does not much educated, but they have real knowledge and they have practical knowledge. If they have practical knowledge, they can survive easily in livelihood.
In this policy, the basic structure of the student will be improved, and he get to know about the work that in which sector he want to go.
The aim of new education policy is increase the interest in child towards the schools, because at early age a child go to school in fear, and but the pattern we follow 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 is a good, because in the in starting the 3 years child also learn the how to go to school and what were they are happening, and so that is a good and for the developing of our children and country also.
But
as we know that our country is facing many type of problems like unemployment and technical recession. I think these are big factors which can make obstacle to implement this type of
Yes, but we
policy.
cannot deny also that in this time we are seeing that in the present education, many of the students who are not yet ready to study that kind of syllabus, they have to be study on our syllabus. But if the new education policy will be implemented in our country, they find each sector education and from the childhood. I think this will change, and it will be a student can become a job creator, not be job seeker.
In my opinion, the new education policy is very good for connection between child and teachers, because it's starting 3 years. The child will get only play in schools and not depend on teach. So it is very good for the connection between child and teachers.
And with the new education policy, India will invite the top 10 foreign university. These university will come in India, the competition will be increased and the education level will be increases. But it's very good for our country.
But we know that in our country, proper infrastructure is not available for every student. As we know that if we want to proper implement new education policy, first we should work on infrastructure.
And I add to one more line that the main motto of this campaign is to encourage the new generation, and the only one thing is that our children will be very smart,
And we have seen that the old education policy was based on theoretical knowledge, while the new education policy will be based on practical knowledge, which gives new experience to the children and the students. And the great example is that there are there are some where is benefited for the children, because in this time the new education policy, the result will not be given by the only for the written examination. They will education policy will, when the education policy will be implemented in the country, then the result will be given to the student by the practical knowledge, written knowledge, also as the social knowledge. I think it
Yeah,
is very
friend,
good.
I agree with you. The new education policy will provide much knowledge on the comparison of old policy. As we can know, if a child be educated, he can survive easily. As we know, child is the future of India.
And the great benefit of this
Also
new
reduce the
education
unemployment.
policy, and the great benefit of the new education policy is for the youth. After the completing their schooling, they go into the college and complete their graduation. In the past, we are complete whole years. If we are live in the middle of it, then we will be fail. But in the new education policy, it not be will held. And if we are complete 1 year, then we got the diploma of the graduation.
But it will,
I
it
think
will also
it will remove the system of education system because when our government spend the 6% of GDP, in this way we can get facility from it and we can improve the system of education.
I would like to go with my friend because it will also help to reduce unemployment because it will provide a practical knowledge and so the students are not only for the government jobs but also they also want to become job giver for the others.
Yeah,
Yeah,
friend, I
yeah,
agree with you
yeah,
that we
yeah.
can see in our society in present time we can see that every person, every people give the value only giving to the marks and but after implementation of this education policy, the value of only marks it will be decreased.
We can say that this policy is a full package for the development of any student, and this policy will provide good knowledge and better experience that which is needed in his life.
But if we really want to implement it by proper knowledge, first we should train educational teacher because we are lacking in this field because we don't have a trained teacher.
After
Yeah.
implementation of new education policy, our students will learn a foreign language. So it is very good for us, and it is very good for understanding between foreigners and us.
At conclusion, I would say that it's a necessary step taken by our government, but our government should also implement it properly in urban areas because we know that in infrastructure in urban areas is very poor.
At last, I would like to say that in this time we are seeing that new education policy is very good and it will be great opportunity for the student. And somewhere is the loophole that English will be implemented after the pipe. I think it should be improved because English it should be the regional language because we know that Kerala is a regional language English. I think it should be implemented before. And as you know that if the foreign country will be come in our India, we should be trained our teacher to educate the student so the student can connect to them. I think when it will be implemented in the right way in our country, it will be great benefited for us.
In my opinion, new education policy is a good step taken by our government, and it is good for every age of student, and they are got new knowledge, new skills, and improve new knowledge, and also got a new practical and improve their life and improve their country.
At last, I would like to conclude by saying that it is very good taken by our honorable Prime Minister. It will be very good if we support this something.
At last, I would like to conclude that the education policy is very good, which was launched by our Prime Minister. And I will also say that we all should support the government to launch this education policy. And as we know that education will be practically after the implementation of this system.
I think the new education policy system is very good for us because it will improve our education system and also decrease the burden of students.
I am really appreciating the new education policy because will be very good for the students because it will be very good for the students because they not only get the bookish knowledge but also they know the practical knowledge.
At last, I want to say that the new education policy is very good, and our government should negotiate it. And the new education policy will change our life very soon.
At last, I would like to conclude: new education policy will improve the talent and learning skill in our youth, and by using this, our country will grow.
At last, I want to conclude that the new education policy is a good initiative which was taken by our government, and it will improve the mentally condition of the students, and provide them new educational and skilled knowledge.